Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making my favorite dish, roasted chicken with mixture of quinoa and kale and a side of vegetable. Stay tuned. For this recipe we will need all the ingredients shown and I'll be listing them in the description below. Let's get started. First, drizzle olive oil, chop parsley, a few pinch of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and give your chicken a good mix. Next, measure 1 cup of quinoa and add it to your pot. Season with salt and pepper, add a few bunch of thyme. Then add 2 cups of water. Set the pot on the stove and let it cook medium heat until softened. Get a clean pan, add salt and oil and let it get nice and hot. Take out your seasoned chicken and now we'll sear it each side until golden brown. Don't worry about cooking your chicken all the way through because after this step we'll finish it in the oven. In the meantime, check on your quinoa. When it's begin to simmer, reduce your heat to low and let it continue to cook. Once each side is golden brown color, remove your chicken breast from the pan, place it on the baking sheet. Set your oven to 350 degrees and let it preheat. We will be cooking vegetable and chicken at the same time, so let's go ahead and season those. To season your sweet potato and Brussels sprout, drizzle olive oil, salt and pepper, give it a good toast and place it in separate baking sheet. Your vegetable will take about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. Cook your chicken about 15 additional minutes and make sure the inside reach 165 degrees. Now let's go ahead and make our vinaigrette for the quinoa and kale. First, add a cup of balsamic vinegar into your blender. Then, add 1/3 cup of Dijon mustard, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, which can be substituted for honey, salt and pepper to taste. Blend on low and then slowly drizzle 1 cup of olive oil. Now let's go back to our stove and oil our pan. After it gets nice and hot, add in 1 chopped shallot and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Saute until it becomes soft and drizzle 1/2 cup of white wine into the mixture and let it reduce. Next, add 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. Allow your cream to simmer until reduce it in half. Now add salt and pepper to taste. A sprinkle of parsley and your white wine sauce is complete. In a clean pan, add oil, let it get nice and hot. Add tablespoon of garlic and shallot and saute until it gets soft. Now add your kale and we're going to allow it to sweat until reduce in size. Add your cook and drain quinoa, give it a toss. Drizzle your blended vinaigrette and mix it well. Now we're ready to plate. Add your quinoa and kale mixture into your plate first, followed by your roasted vegetable. Now add your chicken breast and drizzle with white wine sauce. Add a few drizzle of maple mustard vinegar to your kale and quinoa. And there is our finished product. Look how good it looks. I can't wait for all of you to try it and let me know how it tastes. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.